Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your spreadsheet or documents to the Start section on the Google Sheets application, meaning that they will be added to a separate section so you will find them quite easily. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select from these listed documents that you have already created. But you can also create a new one by tapping on this plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. You can choose from a template, thereby creating a document with the standard format, or tap on the new spreadsheet if you would like to create a spreadsheet of your choice. But you can also choose an already existing document. So simply tap on this three dots icon in the right side of the screen next to your chosen document, and then as you can see, the third option is add to start. Click on it, thereby adding your spreadsheet to the start section. So where can you find this section? You simply tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Now the second option is start. So here you can find this section where you have put your documents. They are indicated by a star icon. If you would like to remove an item from this section, all you have to do is tapping on the three dots icon next to the title of your chosen document, and then tap on the remove from start button, thereby removing it from this section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.